Hello everyone, welcome to UPS Education. We are back with another video for you. So this video is going to be about CUET PG 2025 Psychology form, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can fill this form if you wish to apply this year. So the details about this entrance is written in this article, so you can read this, and the link to this article will be in the description box. So to fill the form for the same, I am going to click here under application process. You can read the application process here and all of the information above. And we are on the site of NTA, and here is the required instructions and procedure to fill the application form. You can download the information bulletin through this button, and after reading this thoroughly, you can just scroll down and click on this box if you have downloaded the information bulletin, and then you can click on this button. Okay, so now you have to select one option here for the identification process. Here I am selecting non-Indian passport. You can select any of these options. You can select from any of these options. You can select Aadhaar number also. Okay, so after selecting the identification details, we have to now fill our personal details here. So everything that I am going to fill here is just for the demonstration purpose. You have to fill your own details here. So as you can see that I have filled all of the details here under personal details. Now I am moving on to present address. Again, all the information that I am going to fill here is just for the demonstration. You have to fill your information. Just read all of the information here carefully and select the required details. So after filling the information under present address here, I am going to select same as present address under permanent address as well. But if you have a different present address, you can fill your information here, and then we are going to proceed to filling the password. So here under security question, I have chosen what is your birth city, but you can choose any of the above information and the security answer as well, and then we are going to just enter the security pin here. Okay, so this is a review page that we have filled our personal details, present address, permanent address, security details and everything. Just read it carefully, read it thoroughly, and then verify all of this by clicking on the tick box here. Okay, so now that you are ensuring that all of the information here is correct and you have clicked all the boxes here, you just now have to click on submit and send OTP. Okay, so the OTP has been sent to the email address that you have filled. Okay, so the registration has been verified through the OTP that was sent on my email, and the application number now has been sent to the same email address. So if you have received an application number, you can fill that application number here on the login page. At the beginning we were registering, and now that we have registered successfully, we are now going to fill the registered information, registered credentials here in the on the login page. So after filling the credentials, I am going to just click on login here. Okay, so this is the current status of our form, and the registration has been completed. Now we have to begin with the application process here. So we will click on complete application form, and now we have to fill our contact details here. After contact details, we are going to fill in our personal details here. Again, whatever information that I am going to fill here is just for the demonstration. You have to read each and every blank carefully and fill in the information that is required. Under category here, I am going to select general. You are going to select your own category here. Okay, so this is a quota category page. If any of these options are required to be filled by you, you just have to select that option. Here I am going to select just for the demonstration, and then we are going to proceed to next one. Now we have to fill the exam center details here. Here I am going to select CUET PG 2025, and here I am going to select psychology, as we are going to opt for psychology entrance, psychology PG entrance. So here, so as you can see, the code for the test paper for psychology is HQQT20. So we are going to select that option here, and then we are going to choose the exam state. So these are the test paper details as we have filled in the previous page under exam center details. Just read this box here carefully and then click on I agree. Do the same with this and then click on I agree. Just read everything very carefully, very thoroughly, and then we'll click on save and next. Now we are going to fill our qualification details here. First we have 10th qualification details, then 12th, and then our graduation details. So I have filled the 10th qualification details here, the 12th qualification and the graduation qualification details here, and everything that I have filled here is just for the demonstration. You have to read everything very carefully and fill in the blanks very thoroughly, very carefully. And then after filling the required information, we'll just click on save and next. Okay, so now we have to upload the required documents here. Read the document specification here and then choose the file. So after uploading the documents, I will just click on save and next here. Okay, so now you can review the application form here, and if you feel that there are any changes that you need to make, you can just click on this menu bar and then select that particular page here, and then you can do the specific changes. But if the application form is correct here, you can just click on this link here to verify your mobile number, and for the verification you will receive an OTP. Okay, so as you can see, the mobile number has been verified, and now we'll just review this and click on final submit here. So before submission, just verify all the particulars here, and then if you feel that all of the information is correct, just click on the boxes and then click on final submit. Okay, so now as you can see that the registration and application form is completed. The only thing that is left here is the payment. Okay, so the amount of payment here will vary according to your category that you have selected. I selected general, so according to that it's 1400 here. And so now that we have completed the application and the verification process, now the only thing left is the payment, and you can see the amount. You can check your amount here, and then you can click on pay now, and after making the payment you will be done with your application process. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.